Okay, so let us discuss assessment practice number 6. The first task is count to find the area of the shape. Tell if the area is exact or an estimate. First of all, you remember from our lessons that if you cannot count exact number of squares, it's going to be an estimate. So just underline estimate, okay? And now let us count. First of all, how many full squares can you see? You can see 2 full squares, okay? Then let's say here you can see half and a half, let's say, okay? This is going to be one more. And let's say here half and a half. You see one more, okay? And now here is left 1, 2, 3, 4. But as they are not full, we can estimate them like 3, okay? So now one more time, what do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and those 3 together is going to be 7. Together is going to be 7. Okay, that's it. 7 square units. Okay, you may write here about, because it's not the exact number. So about 7 square units. This is number 1. Number 2. Use the distributive property to write the equation that represents the picture. Okay, so first of all, we can see one big rectangular, okay, like this one. So it's 3 by 5. So let us write that equation, 3 by 5. Now you can see one small and second small. Let us shade them differently, okay? So the first one is going to be 2 times 3. Why 3? Because this line is the same like this line is the same like this line, okay? You just can count 1, 2, 3, okay? So the first rectangle is going to be 3 times 2 equals 6. The second rectangle is going to be 3, 1, 2, 3 times 3. It's going to be 9. Together, 15. Don't forget to write square units, okay? And here you can see that 3 times 5 is also 15. So one more time, what do we do here? We write the equation for the whole picture, okay? And then we give the area of each smaller rectangle and the large. Then we give the equation for each of the smaller, okay? And write together. The total area is 15 square units. Okay, next, number 3. Lewis says that the figure below this one has an area of 4 square meters. Is he correct? Okay, if you have a careful look, okay, so you can see that here are meters, but here are centimeters. So he is not correct only with this. No, because an area is, and let us count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Now we have 2 triangles. It's going to be one more. 2 triangles together, going to be one more. 2 triangles together, going to be one more. So together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, because the area is 7 square centimeters, not 4 square meters, okay? Okay, sorry for this. Next, number 4. Select all the ways to break apart the area of the large rectangle into the sum of the areas of two smaller rectangles. Then give the area of the large rectangle. Okay, give the area we can at once, because 5 times 7 is going to be 35. Okay, now we are going to break apart this 7, okay? So, if you look at all those numbers, you can see that it's almost the same. So please pay attention to this part. Here we are going to see, can we break apart 7 or not, okay? So you have 7. Look at the first one. 1 plus 5, is it 7? No. 3 times 4, 3 plus 4, is it 7? Yes. 2 plus 3, is it 7? No. 1 plus 6, is it 7? Yes. 2 plus 5, is it 7? Yes, okay. So we have 1, 2, 3 correct answers. This is how you can break apart 7, and it's going to be like, for example, if you break apart into 3 and 4, it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, okay, 1 rectangle, and 1, 2, 3 for the second. But you don't draw this, okay? You don't draw this. You just look which one can be broken apart into smaller, okay? Next, number 5. What is the total area of the design below? Okay, first of all, you need to distinguish that here we have 3 squares. The first one is big, okay? Number 1 is big. Number 2 is here. Number 3 is here. Now, let's have a look. For this rectangle, it's actually square, okay? It's actually square. For this square, you see the numbers 2 and 2. For this square, you see the numbers 2 and 2, okay? And for this square, you see number 4 only, but you understand that square has all the sides equal. That means that this side also is going to be 4, okay? 4 and 4. Okay, how many squares do we have? 1, 2, 3. That means that we need to look for 3 equations. Where do we have 3 equations? Here we have only 1 equation, only for this one. So not correct. Here we have 1 for big and 1 for small. Okay, but we don't have the third one. Not correct. Here we have 1, 2, 3. This is our answer, okay? That's it. Okay, next page for me. Jared draws a rectangle. Explain how to find area using the distributive property. Okay. Again, distributive property is breaking apart. So, this number 9, if you want, you may break apart. For example, I want to break apart into 7 and 2. I break apart into 7 and 2. So, now, this number multiplied by this to find the area of this rectangle, okay? For better understanding, as we were doing in the class, color with different colors. So, the first one, 5 times 7 is going to be 35. The second one, 5 times 2 is going to be 10. Together, 45. And if you check 5 times 9, is it 45? Yes, 45 square feet. Don't forget to write square when you are writing about area, okay? Okay, next. Frank has a square. Again, you need to be able to read that word, to find with your eyes that word square, because square means that every side, each side is the same. So, and here one side is 3. So one side is 3. That means that the other side is also 3, okay? All of them are 3. Now, how to find the area? To to find the area, we multiply side by side. We multiply side by side, we get our 9 square feet. Don't forget to write square. Next. Okay, this one is going to be a little bit complicated, maybe for you, for some students, but let us try to do this. First of all, find the missing side, okay? Then find the area. First of all, we are going to find that missing side, and if you draw a line like this, okay, you will see that this side equals this side, okay? Now the whole from here to here, from here to here, you have 6, okay? Now you need to subtract this part, minus 1. And now you need to subtract this part, minus 1. And we will see that this only part is going to be 4. So this is going to be 4 here, okay? Now, how to find the area? Right now you can see 3 rectangles. This one, okay, and 2 small ones. So the first small one is 1 by 1. You write 1 by 1 is going to be 1. The second is also 1 by 1. And again you write 1 by 1 equals 1. And this big rectangle is going to be 4 by what? Let us discuss by what. By 2 till here plus 1 of this. So together this side is going to be 3. 2 and plus 1 this part, okay? Together it's going to be 3. So 4 this side, 3 this side. 4 times 3 is going to be 12, and together it's going to be 14 square feet, okay? You may stop the video and check one more time. Okay, next. This rectangle has an area. Also, please be able to find the word area in the text, okay? Area is 56. What is the missing length? Use the equation to explain. Okay, in the class I was teaching you, if you know the area, if you know one side, you divide area by that side is going to be 8 centimeters. When we are writing about side, we don't write square. We write square only about area, okay? Another variant you can know this. If you know that area is going to be side by side, so 7 multiplied by what number is going to be 56? You may do way number 2. You may do like this. It doesn't matter for me which way. And you understand that 7 multiplied by 8 is going to be 56. That's why that side is going to be 8. Okay? This is our solution. Okay. What is the area of Ron's figure? Explain. Again, so to find the area of irregular shape, okay, we make it regular. So draw a line like this, okay, and you will get this rectangular. And this rectangle, you can see clearly that one side is going to be 2, the other 9. So you write 2 times 9. It's going to be 18 square feet. And now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small squares that have 1 and 1 side here, 1 and 1, okay? So we multiply 1 by 1. And how many those 1 by 1 we are going to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we multiply it again by 5. And 1 by 1 equals 1. 1 by 5 equals 5 square feet. And together 18 plus 5 is going to be 23 square feet. So this is the area of that shape, okay? Okay, Maddie makes a mosaic with 1-inch glass squares as shown below. Which color of glass has the greatest area in Maddie's mosaic? Okay, in your colors you can see that we have white color, we have yellow color, and we have purple color. So write please like this: white, yellow, purple. Now just count. White, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yellow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10. And if you count purple, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Purple you have 18. Okay, so now you read the question again and cheat actually the answer from the question. The only words that you need to know, just purple. So you write purple and then continue from here. Color of glass has the greatest area. Okay, you may not write it. Actually, for me, it's enough just word purple. But right now, I am teaching you that you can cheat any answer looking at the question, because you have all the words here to write them correctly, just to copy them. Okay? So, next. Select the correct side length for each square given its area. Okay. So, again, you know that square is one side by another side, but those sides are equal, yes? So, for example, if you see 16 square feet, 16 square feet is going to be number by number. What number by number gives you 16? Number 4. If you multiply 4 times 4, it gives you 16. Okay? Here, what number by number gives you 49? 7. You may check with multiplication tables. 7 by 7 gives you 49. 81. What number gives you 81? 9 by 9. And 36? 6 by 6. That's it. Okay, number 13. Explain how to find the area of each rectangle and the total area. Okay, actually, we need to write the explanation, but we are not going to do this. Just, what do we do? The first is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 goes down, okay? And 1, 2, 3, 4 goes this way. So, the first rectangle, 6 times 4, 24. 24 square centimeters, okay? Because you can see here centimeters. The second one, 1, 2, 3 goes down, and 1, 2 goes this way. So 3 times 2 is going to be 6 square centimeters. And together it's going to be 30 square centimeters. That's it. Okay, this one is going to be a little bit tricky, but let us do this. Okay. For this maybe I need colored pencils, I don't know. Okay, let me try to show you how to do this again. Irregular shape we divide into regular, okay? So here it even tells you draw lines to divide the shape into rectangles. So I do like this. This is going to be 1 rectangle. This is going to be 2 rectangle, okay? Okay, I'm not sure that you can understand something from this, but let me try. So, number 1, okay, number 1, 6 go down, and 2 is here. 6 times 2 equals 12. Now, why 2 is here? Because the whole is 8. Yes, the whole line is 8. Minus 2 minus 4, 2 is left, okay? The whole line 8 minus 2 is going to be 6, and minus 4 is going to be 2. So this is 2, 6 times 2. Then you have number 2, rectangular number 2, okay? Here, again, 6 times 2. Okay, now we get rectangular number 3, this one. You have 2 here, and here you have only 6. Why? Because you have 8, the whole line, minus that 2, you have 6. So 2 times 6, going to be 12. Now you have number 4 here, okay? Again, 2 times 6. And here, this one you have number 5. And here you can see 4, number 4 times 2. 2 goes down. So, actually, yeah, 2 times 4. 2 times 4, this one, the fifth one, is going to be 8. Okay, now you need to add everything together. So, let us go up. So, 8 and 2 is going to be 10, 12, 14, 16. 6, 1 goes up. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 56. So this is your answer, 56. Okay. Okay, I will not give such complicated task for the test. Okay, Max draw 2 rectangles, each with an area 24 square centimeters. What could be the side lengths of Max rectangles? Show how he could use the distributive property. Okay, we are answering on that question. What could be the side lengths? So, you are thinking about number 24. Yes? So, what numbers, when you multiply, give you 24? Think about this. So your rectangular can be 4 times 6. Yes, because 4 times 6 give you 24. Also your rectangular can be 3 times 8, because 3 times 8 also gives you 24. So that's your answer. That's it. Here, that's it. Number 16. A community center builds a new activity room in the shape shown below. Okay, explain how to find the area of the room. So, what do we do here? Like we were doing in the class. Draw a line to divide into 2 shapes. Then color. Different colors, okay? So you can distinguish, okay? The first one, 6 times 4. 24. Square meters. The second one 6 and 4 also, but 4 and 6. 4 and 6 is going to be also 24. Together 8, 4 square meters. That's it, okay? Here, that's it. Just be careful when you're looking at numbers. Number. Okay, number 17. Show 2 different unit squares that you can use to measure the area, okay? This is we were doing in lesson number 2. Remember, okay? Show 2 different unit squares, different sizes, okay? For example, here I want to choose this unit square, so I divide this into 2, and I write that I have 2 square units, okay? Here I choose the smaller one, so okay, I do like this, okay? Or even I divide into 8. I can divide even into 8. And I write 8 square units. It depends which kind of square you will choose, okay? Doesn't matter. Okay, and Hopefully the last task. Yes. Number 18. Number 18. This is what we were doing the last lesson. Okay, so remember, step number 1, measure the whole territory. And the whole territory is going to be 4 times 6. 24 square feet. Step number 2, find the territories that you don't need. Okay, the question is about yellow part, so you don't need that purple. Purple, 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is going to be 6 square feet. And step number 3, subtract, take away that territories that you don't need. So 24 minus 6 is going to be 18 square feet. So yellow part, the area of the yellow part is 18 square feet. That's it.